back here on the carb for John's T-Bird. This has been a total bitch to get off, but I finally started getting it moving with the screwdriver. So, get this apart. Gotta get the vacuum secondary diaphragm assembly off, and then this thing can get a bath, get cleaned up, and get put back together. So, that needle and seat's fucking stuck. That's cute. Stuck shut. That'll make it run like poo-poo. Ugh. That's a lot of shit in the rear bowl. In the drink with you. Medium block with crusty. Ooh, let me take those out. But this needs to go in the drink because it's covered in gasket. What else goes in the drink? This is going in the drink. That'll go in the basket. I gotta take this apart still. But we're close. Yucky. All right, it's back here on John's 57 T-Bird, his vacuum secondary 4-barrel. You know, we always get the ultimate rebuild kits. It comes with a million different main body to base plate gaskets, different sizes and such, so you get to play match game. But that's good because it gives you a whole bunch of extras to put in the bin for the future. And that's good, because having extras is a good thing. So we've matched up the one we need. So we're going to put, it's just got a little water on it still from the rinse. So we're going to put our main body and our base plate back together. Throw some screws in that, and then that part is done and ready. So all the stuff for the secondaries is so heavily coated with the gasket, like it doesn't even want to come off. Well, kind of does, but it's not good enough. So it's going to go back in the drink along with the primary metering block because it has a bunch of crap on it too. But in the meantime, I can assemble this and do the vacuum diaphragm and get all that ready to go. So I've reassembled the vacuum diaphragm for the secondaries and just mocking it up. The hole is just a little small on the new diaphragm rod. So I'm going to drill that. Then we'll bolt that baby in, and then we will go do our choke. Always remember your little seal for the orifice. All right, got it in. Got the seal in there. I did put a little bit of like toolbox buddy on there, kind of just to get it to stay put on the thing for the orifice. You know, it's a tough day at the orifice. Vacuum secondaries, cheap Vegas hookers, lot lizards, tough day at the orifice, every single one of them. Mechanisms in. Alright, so choke mechanisms bolted down, pins in the choke actuator rod. We are styling, baby. Of course, it doesn't go back. Pop the throttle. Bloop. Goes back. Got a spring in it. So we get the spring in it. Good to go. All right, choke's all assembled. Ready to go. Just waiting on the few things in the drink here. And they will be done tomorrow.